all excited. We can't wait to get there and experience a lot.
We're here at the gate, we see the airplanes, we see our Korean airlines.
About to head to Asia, to Vietnam.
Gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign.
And then they're gonna take pictures of this is what it's gonna look like, this is how big the box is gonna be, this is how it is all gonna work, is that okay? And then the customer has to sign off on that.
I'm going to visit the company here and to learn about all the logistics and the manufacture process.
They put all the raw materials and also the parts together to form a complete product.
I was so impressed that you maintained the 10% of growth.
Have the check quality for that wooden.
We're gonna go from Vietnam and then we're gonna go to Philippines.
We are here in the Philippines and we're leaving to go to another factory in Cavite.
To remove the flammable, we use the fire.
Recycled paper cannot reach those values.
And then we're headed to Korea. We'll wrap up there and we'll be back in about 12 days.
Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to South Korea.
It was super remarkable in every single way.
Dam, ports, railways, and
10,000 pieces per hour.